this, Sammy?
That's surprise. Hello.
Yes. Hello. 7 big eggs, yeah? Christmas edition, of course. Yeah? And Sammy has one small one, regular size. We just wanted to show you how big they are. Yeah, you see? They are that big. Ah, yeah, we have something else as well. You see? We have as well Chupa Chups.
Yeah.
It looks like grenade. I hope it will not explode.
It's you.
It will explode?
Yeah.
Oh, anyway, I'll try to throw it. Sammy, what was that? Oh! Chupa Chups exploded? Oh man! Be careful with this stuff. And we have all the eggs open? Oh, Sammy, you like this, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Oof. Don't do this at home.
Anyway, you have to go to buy 7 eggs.
Yeah, 7 eggs, yeah? And we're going to open all of them, and I hope the toys inside are not broken, yeah?
Yeah.
So what we are opening first?
Chupa.
Chupa Chups! Surprise lollipop or what? There is some toy. Let me check what is that. Yeah, that's the toy we found. How it works. Oopsie. Yeah?
That's me.
Okay, it's pretty cool. Okay, the first one. Oh, what's that?
You want?
I don't know, we had something like this, but it was something like 6 months ago. Okay, that's the guy we found. Nice. Uh-oh, he has here something. Let's pull it. Oh. Ah, come on!
No.
Ah, the sticker stayed in! Come on, where are the stickers? Okay, it didn't work well, really. Let's open it. Stickers. I've done something wrong, obviously. We lost some stickers, but it's not a big deal, yeah?
Yeah.
The second one? What's that?
I knew one.
I don't know. And that's the second guy. It's pretty cool. You have 2 things like this. One is actually him. And the second is snowflake. You put it right there. And when you make cookies, you put some, I don't know, sugar powder on a cookie through this. And it's nice, you see? That's cool. I like it. Okay, Sammy, let's open another one.
Yeah.
The third one. Oh, and we have the same stuff. Okay. Yes, we have 2 of them now. Okay, next one, please.
This?
This one is empty, I think. Take this one. Okay. That's that. Don't tell me it's the same. No, it's not the same. It's a guy with a bell. Jingle bells, Sammy.
Yeah. Jingle bells, roll away.
Yeah, I'll show you on the flyer. Cool. Okay, and that's the guy.
Yeah.
Nice?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. It was the 4th one, so the 5th one now. Uh-oh. We have a guy with a gift and a stamp, I think. Yes, he's sitting on a gift. And it's not all. You can put something in. And it's not all. You can take this off and there is a stamp. Okay? Okay? Yeah, nice. Nice?
Yeah.
Okay. Sammy, what you would like to receive for Christmas?
Disney Infinity
Game?
my boy.
But game?
Yeah,
Okay. For Xbox?
yeah.
But you know we don't have an Xbox.
I know. It gave for Santa.
Santa will bring it.
Yeah.
So Disney Infinity and Xbox?
Yeah.
Okay,
There
Santa's
was
gonna...
Star Wars too.
What? You think Santa is that rich?
Yes. Yes, sorry.
Sure. We'll see. Next one. The 6th. Oh. What's that? A hockey player. Okay. That's the guy we have. With a gift. With Disney Infinity inside, I guess.
No.
No? Yes, and there is a goal. You're supposed to put it into the goal. Yeah! Sammy's turn. Okay, again. Wow! Almost, Sammy. Okay. We should have one more egg, Sammy, I think. Okay, I got it. There you go. The last one.
Yeah. Again.
Again, the gift one.
Oh man.
Oh man. Okay, let's check again. We have one guy, traveler. He's going back for Christmas, I guess. Two guys like a bakers. A hockey player. Two guys with the gifts, yeah? So one has Disney Infinity and the second Xbox, yeah? This one singing, I guess, carols. And this little dude is from Chupa Chups.
This one, it's not a Disney Infinity, it's what?
Okay. Anyway, we just opened 7 big Kinder Surprise Christmas Edition X. And that would be it for today. I think we'll see you tomorrow. Take care, bye bye. Don't forget to click like and leave some comment. Or subscribe if you haven't before. Bye bye.